Welcome back to Glamour Island Dolls. Today we're making a 10-minute doll closet. First, we'll need this pack of 6 poster board and some electrical tape. I'm using electrical tape so that if I want to use this poster board later for another purpose, I can. So let's take 2 pieces of poster board, place them side by side, put electrical tape right down the center, turn it over, and tape the back. We'll cut the excess tape off, make a fold, and then crease it, and voila! We have 2 walls of our closet. Now, you can add different color cardstock to change up the design of your room. I have links in the description demonstrating that technique, but I'm going to keep the walls this color for now. Here, let's add another corner and tape the 2 sections together so that the poster board can stand on its own. I went to Target the other day and found this cute farmer's market tray, and I immediately thought, this will make a great closet for my dolls. Then I saw another item, this paper towel caddy. This is such a cool find because it can function as additional shelving I can put inside the doll closet. Now, we can remove this rod here, but wait, actually, I want to use it. Yeah, let's use it, okay? We're going to turn this caddy over, apply tape, and connect it to the farmer's market tray. Wow, whoa, see? Even our doll Trina is loving it already. We haven't even done much to the closet yet. Let's keep working on it because it's time to glam it up. I bought these frames at Hobby Lobby and I saved this shiny top. It's the cover that you find from a disposable aluminum baking pan. Let's put them all together to make a custom mirror. First, we'll trace out this shape, cut it, and glue it to the back of the frame. Whoa, nice. Do you like cute miniature plants? I do. I'm going to take one of these wooden beads that I got from Hobby Lobby, cut a piece of Dollar Tree floral leaves, and place it right in the center. No need for glue or anything else because it's a perfect fit. Just trim it on the side and it's ready. Now, I want to create additional shelving. You don't have to, but if you're like me and my daughter with tons of doll shoes, you might need some more shelves. So I'm going to use these jumbo craft sticks, cut them to size so that they fit, and glue them in vertically and horizontally. I also want to design a special shelving for all the doll bags and cute purses I have. So let's grab these skinny sticks and glue some mini sticks to it. Then we'll glue it to the shelf for a wonderful accessory organizer. You can make a cute rug from this Dollar Tree fabric. Just cut it in a rectangular shape. Now, so far, our doll closet is looking fabulous. We'll add in a few plants from 5 and below, make a few wire hangers for our clothes, and now all we need are all those cute, cool purses, shoes, and dresses we got at the Dollar Tree, and of maybe a few other Barbie accessories. And our doll closet is officially glamorous. If you think you could make this doll closet in 10 minutes, I want you to like this video and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to glam it up. So, do you like your new closet?
Wow, it's so amazing. I love it. Just look all around. It's so many wonderful things. Oh, I've got shoes, my bags, my clothes. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at what we have here. It's a mirror. Oh, look at me. I look so good. And guess what, guys? It's time to go shopping.